back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today matter now about one video when I just see. Some girls say I don't understand una sha for this Europe, especially this France matter when I want to talk about now. Why it be say some people for that France there, some girls, because one girl cry out, they complain, they cry, say they fight one of her friends, say two of them they quarrel. The girl come they use pikin till they laugh am. Why it be say many of our girls they always they do this thing? Why? How you go use pikin they laugh your own friend? Pikin wey die, you begin to use am till they laugh am. Why? Why some of una, why una life be like this? E no good. The truth have to be said. E no good. For you to use pikin till they laugh your own friend, e dey very bad. Very bad. E no good. My darling people, why e be say some people life be like this? Why? I see this video, the thing get the way it do me. You understand? The girl they cry, say you use pikin wey meme take laugh am. You no come see another thing take laugh am again. Na a pikin wey meme, now you come take dey laugh am. Why some of una dey behave like this? I know as the thing shocked her. Mona listen now.
I don't follow you do for this case, so you understand? Because me, I don't go coffee they follow my friend. Who I call friend there? They do for this case. But you said you, Susan, for this France, me and you will go far, we'll go viral. Maybe we'll go viral. Because for you they call me for, but I don't call you Susan before.
And then why it be say if una dey quarrel, una dey always like to do live video, make the whole world see am. Of which if una not still do am, I for not see am. Fine. But there are some things when I visit settle for inside house. But I disagree for that girl. So use pikin wey meme take laugh this girl. Because this girl first do one video. I don't first post the video. When she still dey cry, say a friend, our own friend, use pikin. 12 dem dey quarrel. He use the pikin wey don meme take laugh am. You know wetin this girl pass through that time, whether a pikin meme. Why some of una life be like this? E no good. E no good to dey use pikin till dey laugh person. Very bad. Most of us need to change for this social media. Most of us, we need to change for our bad character. How you go use pikin till dey laugh your own friend? You don't forget the time wey two of una first take play. You come carry pikin till dey laugh am. E no good. When we stop this thing, it's not good for ear. My darling people, as I see this video, the thing it get the way it to me. I beg. But we not dey use pikin dey laugh person again. It's not good. The girl now, two of them now dey street they fight. Wanna listen? Because I know if put the video for YouTube. Betrayer. What are they listening to?
When I break your heart, when I break your heart, wait, you don't get belly, my guy. You never forget about that. When you and boyfriend break up, when I be Beyonce talking, tell you what she talk. Say you did not break up, she talking. I get off of my ear. You, I stand by you.
Ew. You say the time when this her friend break up with your boyfriend, when they get problem with another of their friends, when they drag the boy together, he say she stand by him. Why you now come they use your own pikin? Where don't be made they laugh am. It's not good. They very bad. We need to change this our bad character. We really need to change them. It's not good. It's not so good of you to use your friend pikin till they laugh am. It's very bad. We need to change our bad character. Some of us, we need to change them. Una listen. Massive.
I know say you the bad place. I know say they talk about you dey do. Even brother, you
Una no blame this girl. She dey use pepper body take dey torture am. Because the girl dey in pain since that yesterday. When this her friend take use e pikin wey don meme take laugh am, the girl dey in pain. The thing dey pain her ever since. She dey cry. No good. Abeg, make we change this our bad character. Make we change am. E no good. E no good. Ma play am. You know, ask me. Then what's it be your ending for inside? Why you don't want to let me rest? I don't know. You go, damn you. You know that's a Beyonce talk. Beyonce is having a DJ Tuki boy for. Where DJ Tuki them going for bestie? He good, because we don't die. He good. He good, Susan. Because we don't die. You have me with me. Pikin wey don pay me, you come pikin dey. You laugh at with your own pikin. Wey don pay me. Why it be say some of una, if una dey vex, una no dey feel control una temper? Why it be like that? Why it be say if una dey vex, to control una temper na problem for una? How you go use pikin take laugh your own friend? Use pikin take laugh am. Who does that? Who does that? If una don dey vex, na this social media I see say, if people don dey vex, you come turn on that thing. E no good, abeg. We need to change our bad character. We need to change am. We need to change am. Now, wow. The girl they laugh at with pikin wey meme. If they tell somebody for phone, the person record am. And the record they send to this girl, where this girl they provoke so. But they see matter. My sister. Because you get womb. He said this a friend use a womb take pain and say she not get womb. And this girl say, according to this girl, Mona listen. Prove me wrong. Show me abortion paper. I go show you no I don't do. I stay point for. My sister, you too do. I'm gonna call you my friend tomorrow because you be my friend. You be my friend. Now you start since 2 years ago. Since when I tell you something, 2 years ago. Wait. I'm telling you why. My darling people, the video so long and not replay everything. So if you want to watch the full video, you can still go to Facebook and watch it because I know if you put the video.